Hello students, this is Amit Tiwari, your economics teacher. Students, in previous videos we have discussed the different causes of poverty in our economy, and in today's video we will try to find out the different measures which the policymakers can undertake to reduce or to eradicate the poverty from our economy. So let us see what are the different measures which can be taken. The different measures which one can take to eradicate the poverty comes under these four important steps. The first one is combating poverty through GDP growth. Second one is combating poverty by improving the distribution of income. And the third one is having control over population growth. And fourth, there will be other measures which one can undertake to eradicate the poverty from economy. So we will discuss each and every step in detail one by one. So we will start our discussion with the GDP growth as a step to eradicate the poverty from economy. Poverty will reduce with the acceleration of pace of growth by avoiding the jobless growth. पॉवर्टी रिड्यूस हो सकती है अगर ग्रोथ प्रोसेस एक्सेलरेट करे, और कैसी ग्रोथ प्रोसेस हो, वो ऐसी ग्रोथ प्रोसेस हो जिसमें कि हम जॉबलेस ग्रोथ को अवॉइड करें. एंड हियर you must be confused about this particular term, jobless growth. What is jobless growth? So let us understand the concept of jobless growth. A jobless growth is a kind of growth in which the whole growth process is dominant by technology. When we implicate technology on a major scale, it will reduce the employment opportunities, and hence the whole production process or the whole growth process will not be a labor intensive growth process. It will be a technology intensive growth process which will somehow hamper our efforts to reduce the poverty from economy. So the growth should not be jobless growth. The growth should not be jobless growth, and jobless growth means implication of technology on large scale. In overall growth process. मतलब कि जो भी इकोनॉमी की ग्रोथ प्रोसेस है उसमें अगर हम टेक्नोलॉजी का इंप्लीकेशन ज्यादा से ज्यादा करेंगे तो जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट है वो कहीं ना कहीं घटेगा, और जब एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट घटेगा, लोगों के पास इनकम नहीं आएगा, तो जो हमारे स्टेप्स हैं, जो हमारे एफर्ट्स हैं पॉवर्टी को रिड्यूस करने के, वो कहीं ना कहीं पीछे रह जाएंगे. इसलिए द पॉलिसी मेकर्स शुड इम्प्लीमेंट अ ग्रोथ प्रोसेस विच शुड बी लेबर इंटेंसिव रेदर देन technology intensive. The second step which our policy makers may undertake is by improving the distribution of income by undertaking the fiscal and legislative measures. Fiscal और legislative measures की मदद से पॉलिसी मेकर्स इनकम के डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं. and with this one can eradicate the poverty from economy. So let us understand one by one. Here fiscal measures means the policies of taxation and subsidies. Fiscal measures refers to fiscal measures refers to policies related to taxation and subsidies. Here, government should make effective taxation system and subsidy system for the citizens of India. Here, government should rely on progressive taxation system, means there should be a taxation system in which the tax slab should be higher for rich people and poor should be exempted from taxes. यानी कि गवर्नमेंट को प्रोग्रेसिव टैक्सेशन सिस्टम पे ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिलाय करना चाहिए, जिसमें कि जो टैक्स का स्लैब रिच के लिए है वो हायर होना चाहिए और जो पुअर है उनको टैक्स से एग्जम्प्ट करना चाहिए, यानी कि उनको टैक्स देने से छूट मिलनी चाहिए. हियर गवर्नमेंट शुड इम्प्लीमेंट progressive taxation system. In which higher slabs of taxes for rich people and poor should be exempted. The government should implement progressive taxation system in which higher slab of taxes for rich people and poor should be exempted. Secondly, tax receipts of the government should be utilized to provide subsidies for the purchase of poor section of the society. यानी कि जो भी टैक्स रिसीट हो रहा है, टैक्स कलेक्ट हो रहा है गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा, उस टैक्स को हमें एज अ सब्सिडी प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए पुअर सेक्शंस के लिए, ताकि वो सब्सिडाइज रेट पे जो भी परचेजेस वगैरह करने हैं उसको आसानी से कर सकें, यानी कि उनके ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन न पड़े. तो इस तरीके से उनकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इंप्रूव करेगी और वो उस पॉवर्टी लाइन से ऊपर आ सकेंगे. Subsidies should also be provided for the primary requirements of the poor, such as clothes, food grains, and grants should be provided to build their houses, except the grants for self-employment. So with these measures, policymakers would be able to eradicate poverty in a major extent. So students, this is for today, and in our next video we will discuss the legislative measures to eradicate the poverty from India. Till then, have a good day.